In this video, I will be showing you how to make QR code for a video. The platform that we'll be using is MeQR. So I want you to go onto me-qr.com. Once on this platform, you're going to tap on View More Types. After doing that, you will be led to this page and I want you to tap on View More Types once more. After doing that, you will see the video option. You can tap on video. Then from there, you will see the option video link. You can tap on video link and you'll be able to add the video link. So for example, let's say we are taking the video from YouTube. All you'll need to do is simply copy the YouTube video link. After you have done that, you'll go back into MeQR and you could paste the code right here. After you have pasted the code there, you'll tap on Customize and Download QR. From here, you can choose the frame that you would like to use. Once you have chosen the frame and if you would like to change the background image, you can also do that. You are going to tap on Download QR code. But let's say, for example, you don't want to use a video from YouTube and instead you would like to use a video file from your device. What you'll need to do is, once you're on MeQR, once again, you're going to tap on View More Types. After tapping on View More Types, from here, all you'll need to do is tap on View More Type once more. And then from here, you will see all of the different options that you can use. So you can see that there are numerous options you can select from. But unfortunately, there is no option for you to upload an MP4 directly. So what I would recommend you do is you're going to go onto Google Drive. And Google Drive works both on your mobile device and also on your laptop or PC. So you're going to go onto drive.google.com. From here, you're going to tap on New in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to tap on File Upload. And you're going to search for the video. Then you're going to select the video and tap on Open. After selecting Open, you'll realize that your video has been uploaded onto Google Drive. Once your video has been uploaded on Google Drive, you'll simply tap on the three dots in line with the video name. Then you're going to tap on Share, then tap on Share once more. After tapping on Share, from there, you're going to tap where you see Restricted. So let me do that real quick. So let me find a file and I can show you an example. So let's say, for example, I were to tap on New and I'm going to be uploading this file for example's sake. So I'll tap on Open. You can see in the bottom right hand corner right there, it is being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, you'll tap on the three dots right here. And then from there, you're going to hover over Share and you're going to tap on Share. After doing that, you can tap right where you see Restricted and you can select anyone with a link. By doing that, persons will not only be able to view your video, but they'll also be able to download it. Then you're going to tap on Copy Link. After you have copied the link, you're going to go back into MeQR and you're going to simply tap where you see URL/link and you're going to paste in the link right here. After you have done that, you'll tap on Customize and Download and you're going to tap on Download QR code and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.